Fischer is an international company that fully cycles the production of various products: cross-country and alpine skis, boots, sticks, automotive parts, and much more. To achieve maximum results, it is extremely important for the company to make the fullest use of available resources and ensure high quality.
There was a question about a comprehensive program that could integrate finance, logistics, and production, and do it in different countries with different companies. And this was the decisive moment when we chose Dynamics Axapta.
To solve this problem, the company involved a certified partner specializing in the implementation and supportive solutions based on Microsoft Dynamics Axapta, the company OntargIT.
Our company deals exclusively with the implementation and support of solutions based on Microsoft Dynamics. This allows us to accumulate and maintain a colossal experience of solutions in different enterprises and in different countries. The main task set before us by the client was to build an effective and comprehensive tool to increase the efficiency of the Fischer group of companies. This involves reducing warehouse stocks, optimizing planning processes, and necessarily collaborating between employees of different departments in different countries.
Initially, there was a question that all companies across the world should work in one understandable system. We are now speaking the same language. It is absolutely clear. We operate with the same data, which is clear to everyone, regardless of whether they understand each other's language or not. The digital language is absolutely clear to everyone. It has become very easy to communicate and understand each other, what the problems are, or what peculiarities there are in a particular company.
As part of the project implementation, the production process was optimized. This means that production capacities are loaded in the most optimal way. The implementation of ERP2 tools has led to a reduction in stock levels and an increase in the level of customer satisfaction of the Fischer company.
The unifying moment when they choose you as a supplier is the delivery time. Absolute adherence to the delivery time of the product. And this would be impossible without an automated management system, because you understand that such volumes which you produce for yourself and for someone else, taking into account their peculiarities, not only over time, but also the technical parameters of the product, this is only possible thanks to such a system. With such a large volume of production and such a wide range of products, there is always the possibility to overproduce or underproduce something. That is, you cannot fully complete the order. We managed to improve the results by almost 20%. Accordingly, we were able to use all the materials we use more economically. We managed to reduce stock levels. Accordingly, we were able to save working capital thanks to this program. Of course, I am interested not only in the results of the company, but also in the profit that we get. We get, of course, the results. They have increased. The operational management system has improved. We have stopped overlapping information somewhere, either getting it in the wrong place or processing it in the wrong place. We absolutely have a clear understanding of special tools today. We have both planned and practical ones. Everything has become clear. The hierarchy of all information flows has become clear and understandable. On the other hand, what is absolutely interesting for me, we managed to get analytics from this program that helps us react not sometime later, but now and today.
When many companies engaged in the production of outdoor equipment were reducing production volumes, the Fischer company was increasing production volumes and taking over the production volume from other leading players in the world.
I am proud of the work that is the result of what we still have today. If we said that we started with 3,000 pairs of skis, and in 20 years we have grown to more than 1 million, this is the result. I think it has given a fairly significant result.